Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Arvio Setyan Pramudya. I want to explain what a database. Database is a collection of data that is managed based on the contains interacted provision so that it makes it easier to manage it regarding the types. The types of database, an application or website needs a place to retrieve and store information and a database. There are many types and functions of database. Until now, there are 5 types of database that are widely used for software operation. The following are the types of database and their function. 1. Operational database. Operational database are online transaction processing database function as a place to manage dynamic data directly and in real time. These types of database allows you to see and modify data and adding charging on the deleting data directly via the hardware use. An example of the operation database is JSON or JavaScript object notation. JSON is a file format that uses text to transmit data. This format is commonly used by users to exchange power issues interaction via browser and web servers. JSON comes from JavaScript. Data exchange regulation can be done in real times. Thank you.
The next one is data warehouse. Data warehouse is a type of database which is usually referred to as enterprise data warehouse. This type of database is a key element in business intelligence. This type of database is used for data analysis and reporting. Data warehouse collects the latest data from various different sources into one centralized and integrated location to produce analytic report. The example of a database warehouse is Microsoft SQL Server.
And the next, relational database. Relational database is a relational database which is a database for organizing according to a data relationship model. Many applications use this system to organize and maintain database through the relationship of each data. This system uses structured query language or SQL as a programming language for database maintenance and queries. An example of a relational database is a MySQL. MySQL is a popular open source database and is commonly used for a web-based application. For example, dynamic website and e-commerce. MySQL is one of the important components of LAMP web service solutions stack Linux, MySQL, Apache, and PHP, which is an open source web development platform.
The next is distributed database. Distributed database is a type of database that consists of a combination of sets spread across many different locations. All databases remain connected to each other in a computer network. This system is different from systems that are vertically connected to single data. This system is distributed over joint sets and has no physical components. The function of a distributed database is to channel data through combining workgroups, each of which is processed independently. An example is Microsoft Office Access. Users can import or connect directly to data stored in the database. Thank you.
End-user database. End-user database is a type of database that is created and managed by end user using their own devices or workstation. Homemade data file types are created with specific procedure. The data files are then managed independently via the method you use. This database applies to documents that are offline and stored on personal device. Example of end-user databases are spreadsheet, word processing, and file downloads. Databases are an important component of application and website. A database is needed to store and retrieve the data needed during use. Hopefully, this article can increase your knowledge and insight about database.